All right, today I'm going to show you how you can look up and return multiple values into one cell within Excel. So in this example here, we have the name of a couple of customers and the product that they purchased. Now in these columns here, we want to display each individual customer's name. As you can see here, we have some repeats, like we see Jack here 3 times, actually 5 times. So we just want his name to be displayed once, and then we want all of the purchases that he's made combined into one cell here. So for Jack, we want it to say that he purchased product 1, product 5, 6, 8, and 7, all in this one cell, rather than multiple cells. So the first thing we can do is create a list of each of these names individually. Now there's a simple formula you can use for this. Just use the unique formula and then select the range that you're using here with all of the names that you might be looking at. And what that will do is create a unique list of each of these names. So if any of these names are repeated, it will only display it once. Now the formula to display all of Jack's purchases into one cell is a little bit trickier than that. However, I'm going to walk you through it, and I think you'll be able to get it just fine. So off to the side here, I'm going to start with the first formula that we need, and that's going to be a simple if formula. So if Jack, so we'll select the cell with the first name. So if Jack equals any of these options, so select the entire list where Jack's name might be, then if that's true, I want this to display which product he purchased. So we'll select this entire column next to the names to know which purchases he's made. Then comma, if that's false, we'll just say quote quote, as in it'll just leave it blank. Then we'll go ahead and hit enter, and then it's going to display all the products Jack's made, leaving out all the other products line by line. So we can see that Jack purchased product 1, 5, 6, 7, and 8, but we still want all of this to be displayed in one cell here. So what we're going to do is copy the formula, excluding the equal sign, and then we're going to go over to where we want this to actually be displayed, and then we're going to type in the formula text join. So then it's going to ask us for a delimiter or what we want these to be separated by. So we don't want it just to say product 1, product 5, product 6 all jumbled together. So we want each of these to be separated by a comma. So we'll do quote, comma, space, quote. And this is saying anything within these quotes is what it will display. So it's going to do the comma, space, and that's how it will delimit or divide each of these products. And so if there are any empty cells, we want to select true. We want it to ignore any empty cells. Then we'll hit comma, and it's asking us what text we want to combine here. This is where you're going to paste your formula, the if formula that we had created. And this is basically going to say, hey, I want you to first search Jack and then search his name, find it, and then display each of the products separated by a comma and a space. We'll go ahead and hit enter. And we can see, we'll make this a little bit bigger, and we will delete this formula here. And then we'll see here that each of those products that Jack has purchased are displayed here within this one cell. Now, if we want to apply this formula to all of these names, we can simply click and drag this formula down. However, before we do that, we need to lock these cell ranges or references. And the way you can do that is hit F4 or FN F4. If that doesn't work on your keyboard, then all you need to do is type in a $sign in front of each column and row number like that. Now that you've anchored or locked those cell ranges, you can then drag this formula down, and it will apply that same logic to each of these customers. So we can see here that Jason's only ever purchased one product. We can see Derek purchased product 4, and if we search product 1 as well. So there you have it. That's how you can look up and return multiple values into one single cell within Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button on your way out. I really appreciate that more than you know. Thank you so much, and just have a great rest of your day.